Good day, everyone. Let's watch the storytelling dot about the canonical author of Davao Region 11.
Good day everyone, today I'm gonna tell a story for appreciating the works of legendary author Candy Gurley from Region 11. She is the canonical author from Davao Region 11. She was born on April 16, 1962. Candy Gurley is a well-known Filipino author who grew up in the Philippines and now she lives in the UK. She writes stories that explore identity, culture, and belonging, and often draws on her experiences as someone who has lived between two worlds. Her two her two notable works are, number one is the Tall Story, 2010. This is a heartwarming story about two siblings, Andy and her long lost brother Bernardo, who is very tall. The book deals with themes like family, cultural differences, and myths. The second works is Shine, 2013. This novel focuses on Rosa, a girl who cannot speak due to a rare condition. The story talks about how she deals with being isolated in a small town full of secrets and how she finds her voice in other ways. The two-of work of Candy Gurley is notable because she tells stories that many young readers can relate to, especially those who have lived in different cultures or feel like outsiders. She also mixes magical elements with real-life struggles, which makes her stories interesting and unique. For example, the Tall Story includes Filipino folklore, making it exciting for readers while teaching them about a different culture. Her books also tackle important topics like family identity and acceptance, which touch the hearts of many people. Why is it important for younger generation to study and appreciate the work of authors from the past, present, and emerging literature of the future? Studying literature from different times is important because it helps us understand how people think and live. Not just now but also in the past. Authors from the past show us what life was like in their time, while current authors reflect the world today. By reading those works, we learn about different cultures, values, and experiences. For the future, it's important to look at emerging literature because it shows us how the world is changing and helps us imagine new possibilities. Literature teaches us empathy, helps us think critically, and connects us to different perspectives, which are skills we need to grow up as individuals and as a society. That's all. Thank you.